In the stillness of the wild, every sound, every shadow tells a story. Welcome to Echoes of the Wild. A journey into untamed beauty. A space to pause and listen to nature's rhythm. Here we bring you closer to the raw moments that happen in the wild. The mighty lion, the fast and agile cheetah, the graceful giraffe, the ancient elephant, the silent leopard, the alert gazelle, the cunning crocodile, and many more. Monkeys, eagles, buffaloes, zebras. Each one a voice in the chorus of the wild. This is more than a channel. It's a reminder that we are part of something vast and beautiful. Echoes of the Wild is where wonder lives. Subscribe and be part of this journey. Share the wild. And from all of us here at Echoes of the Wild, thank you for watching.